Welcome to this gentle back care yoga. Bring your right knee toward your chest. Hold it with both hands and breathe deeply into your lower back. Keep your shoulders relaxed. After a few breaths, switch side. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. As you arrive on your mat, allow the outside world to fade away. There is nothing you need to do right now, nowhere else you have to be. Just you and your breath. Now hug both knees into your chest. Smile softly and breathe slowly. Let your spine relax completely. Inhale and exhale. Extend your right leg forward and release and switch side. One more. Moving at your own pace. Move slowly, finding a calm, steady rhythm with your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep your knees bent and feet flat. Inhale to slightly arch your lower back. Exhale and press your back gently into the mat. Small, slow motions. Feel the base on your spine moving softly. Bring your knees together and drop them gently to one side. Look over the opposite shoulder. Breathe slowly into your waist and lower back. Then return to center and switch side. We'll move slowly and softly to ease tightness and pain. Let your breath guide each motion. Inhale deeply, exhale freely. Extend your legs, relax your arms by your side. Close your eyes and take a gentle breath. Your back feels soft, supported, and free. You've done something kind for yourself. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the floor. There is nothing you need to control, nothing you need to change. Just let yourself be supported. Relax your toe, your legs, your hips. Relax your belly, your chest, your shoulder. Let the muscle of your face soften, your jaw, your eyes, even the space between your eyebrows. Thank you for watching my video. See you.